Okay, Jill, so what are you doing?
Shooting a nail gun.
And why are you doing it?
Because I'm scared to death of them.
So what are we doing? We're conquering the fear.
Yep.
Okay. Go.
Ready?
Yes. You want to do it one more time? It's not going to do it now. You already pressed it. Oh, it did. Yay. Very good. Good job, Jilly Bean. Good job.
I'm going to put it face down.
Feel better?
No, I like it.